Hello everyone. Yesterday I uploaded pronouns, words used in replace of nouns, and then I taught you the he, she, it, on how to substitute it. And today we're gonna learn about their possessive and their reflexive pronoun. So the possessive is his, and the reflexive is himself. She, the possessive is her, and the reflexive is herself. It, its, and itself. Okay, for example, he gave his money to his mother by himself. So we have to connect this one, the he and is possessive, which is his and himself. And then the reflexive is so easy to remember because there is that word self. Okay, and the possessive is her, and the reflexive is herself. She comb her hair by herself. So you can connect all the three. And it's itself. The dog wiggle its tail by itself also. It's important to know the uses of these pronouns. I told you that pronouns are words used in replace of nouns. So, kapag tayo ay nagsusulat ng paragraph, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung proper nouns lang. For example, you are referring to a person that name, for example, Leonardo. Leonardo is my friend. Leonardo is kind. Leonardo is intelligent. Leonardo, it's redundant. So we have to substitute Leonardo from he. And we can use or correlate this possessive his and himself by talking about Leonardo. Napakalaki ng papel ng pronouns aside from knowing nouns because they also serve as the subject of the sentence. So I hope I can give you wisdom about the 8 parts of speech. I already taught you the nouns, and today I'm giving you all about the pronouns. Okay, so I told you there are 8 parts of speech that we can use in writing a paragraph. These 8 parts of speech are very important in also communicating. So if you were able to say it, you can also write it. There are a lot of writers that are grammatically wrong, but if you know the 8 parts of speech, you will know how to write correct grammar, agreement of subject and verb. As we go along with our may mga kaalaman po akong ina-upload. I hope po nakakapagbigay ako ng mga konting kaalaman sa mga taong nakakadaan ng aking YouTube channel. Thank you for those 130 subscribers. Continue lang po na pagpindot ng notification bell. To God be the glory. Kahit konting kaalaman. Okay, I uploaded already Food for Soul, and this time Food for Our Brain naman. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. This is your